Okay guys, super quick, just want to talk about the Hall Pass real quick. So the Hall Pass is digital, just scan it, fill it out, grab the pass, go and do whatever. Just make sure you don't ask to go anywhere 5 minutes before or after a bell, not a big deal. Packets, just talk about packets real quick. So you know packets, we all have packets here at Cinco Ranch High School. I just suggest to you that you remove the staple and put it in a binder, and the only reason is sometimes you'll have an exit ticket that goes with something of that day, and sometimes we might take notes that are not in the packet, which is probably what we're going to be testing you over. So the packet, remember in Algebra 2, the packet is just bare bones. And anything that's not in the packet, that's when I would pay special attention to it. So if you have an extra binder, use it. If you don't have an extra binder, not a big deal. If you don't want to rip your packet apart, I get it, not a big deal. But that's just a suggestion. One more thing, I don't know if you noticed that was in here, but I do keep my syllabus in here just because, I don't know, sometimes, you know, I might give out a little pass or something like that. So anything that you grab today, just hang on to if I ask you to hang on to it. If it's on color paper, you might pay special attention to that. One more thing. If you find the factor video, there's an Easter egg hiding somewhere. If you find the factor video page, come tell me, because that might be your first chance at getting like a homework pass or some extra credit. Okay, so let's talk about, you know, My Katie Cloud. I'm sure you guys are well versed in this. The only thing that I want to show you while this screen is loading is our textbook. We don't use a textbook a lot in Algebra 2, but every once in a while you might need it. So remember, you go to textbooks, and then of course you're going to click math, and then I'm going to click Algebra 2. Here's the kicker, this is why I'm throwing this up to you guys. So when we click Algebra 2, it looks like it's going to be a mistake because it's going to say Algebra 1. So if I tried to click Student Resources, and it's going to say Algebra 1. So please remember, our Algebra 2 book's the same publisher. We have a drop down right here, guys. So make sure you go ahead and hit the drop down for Algebra 2, then you're going to be able to access all of your stuff. The next thing that I wanted to show you is Canvas. So the Canvas for our class is going to be used so much, so heavily, probably just like all of your other courses. So here's the icon that you should see. And your home page is actually just going to be modules, because that's your home page when you are in your phone or if you're on a mobile view. What I wanted to show you is when you go to your home page, when Canvas shows what your landing home thing looks like, you're going to click the home page. And then this is going to show you each week. So this is right here. This is us, the first week of school. 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. That's going to correlate to first 6 weeks, 5th week. First 6 weeks, 6 weeks. And there's not a 7th in our grading period, but that's just a template. Everything you need to know is right here, guys. When it comes to packets, notes, and keys, you've got everything you need for Module 1. So it's just going to go in order. I know you guys probably get heavy notifications on Canvas. However, I would really just suggest, and it's your preference, but if you don't like a lot of notifications, like I don't want a lot of notifications, all I would really make sure that I for sure had was when there was an announcement. And now I can't find it. Oh my gosh. And here you are, you're waiting on me. So when that happens, I get to cheat a little bit. Okay, here it is. Right here, under alerts, any global announcements, you would want to toggle that on your phone for your Canvas app. That's really going to keep you safe if anything changes all of a sudden when, you know, maybe the test has been postponed or the quiz has been postponed, or don't forget about an Easter egg or a little hint that I'll throw out that you make sure that you need to pay attention to. So those alerts right there, that's really what I would really suggest for you guys to have. Nothing else at this time, trying to keep this video short. Welcome back.